Untitled Solution presents Spirit Seeking with Pratick.
Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Spirit Seeking with Pratick on Sound Health Solution. In our last video, we spoke about the root chakra. What is the root chakra? How to strengthen it? What can make your root chakras weak? How can you make them strong again? How to balance them? How to nourish them? How to not overnourish them? We spoke about all of these things about the root chakra. In this video, we shall be speaking about more ways to heal your root chakra. Let's get started. Number 1, crystals. Crystals are in vogue these days. Everybody is using crystals. People are using it as jewelry. People are using it to keep it around their houses. People are using it in home decor, right? So for the root chakra, there are many crystals that you can use in order to make sure that your root chakra stays strong. There are crystals like obsidian, tiger's eye, mahogany, and even tourmaline. In fact, black tourmaline is the crystal that I use to make sure that my root chakras are safe and sound. The physical properties of crystals are built in such a way that they aligned whatever comes in contact with them or whatever stays in their field of energy to themselves. So I have personally found that black tourmaline has helped me very much to control my fear, insecurity, and instability. Number 2, essential oils. I can assure you that you'll reap a lot of benefits if you start massaging the base of your spine with essential oils like ginger oil or say rosewood oil or patchouli oil. They are found all over the market. Number 3, mudras. Mudras are postures of the hand, right? You have a lot of nerves in your hands and they're connected throughout the body. The same nerves run throughout your body, and being able to connect these nerves in a particular way so that it heals the different ailments of the body is another knowledge. But for that, we'll have to take out another mudra series. Anyways, we have a mudra for the root chakra, which is the Gyana Mudra. Gyana Mudra is when you touch the tip of your index finger with your thumb, right? If you do this on both your hands and stay for about 10 to 20 minutes, you could even meditate with the mudra. You'll find that you'll start becoming more peaceful and more silent and more stable. 4, postures, yoga postures, also known as asans. There are a lot of asans that claim to strengthen and bind the root chakra. But my personal experience is that the butterfly asan and the vajrasana, especially the vajrasana. Vajrasana is when you fold your knees and you sit on the ground with your knees as your base. Try it yourself. If you are able to sit in vajrasana for 10 or 15 or more minutes, you start feeling more secure, more peaceful, more poignant, more poised, more calm, and more contented. Number 5, sound therapy. Sound. Sound means vibration, and everything in the universe is vibrating. That means you are vibrating too, and that means your root chakra is vibrating too, right? So when it comes to sound, the word lum is the source sound of the root chakra, also known as the bij mantra. When you recite lum continuously, it starts to strike your root chakra, and it starts to align the root chakra with the frequency of lum, which is found to be somewhere around 256 hertz. When this happens, your root chakra starts aligning with the vibration, and this vibration is perfectly matched to heal root chakra. You can also go to the Good Vibes channel in order to find more sounds on root chakra healing, or root chakra ascension, or root chakra binding, or root chakra strengthening. The link must be somewhere here. Number 6, root chakra meditation. What you need to do is to visualize the color red. Visualize the color red at the base of your spine. Even better if you visualize it as a 4-petaled lotus with a downward facing triangle on it, right? When you do this, you need to imagine and you need to visualize that the red, the energy of the red color is starting at the base of your spine and is slowly filling all your legs, extending down to your fingertips and forming roots into the earth. Number 7. This I have already mentioned in the previous videos, but activities that connect you to nature, for example, gardening, hiking, cycling, playing with plants, playing with pets, whatever connects you to nature strengthens your root chakra. Tell us what you know about the root chakra. Tell us how you heal the root chakra. Did we miss anything? And don't forget to drop a response in the comment box, and don't forget to like this video, and if you like whatever is happening here, press the subscribe button and we shall come up with more videos like these to build a community of new generation enlightened human beings. Thank you. Until next time.